SaleHoo for Dropshipping Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we'll dive deep into an honest review of SaleHoo, a tool often recommended for dropshipping. Before we get started, you can find links to the products mentioned in the description below. Now, let's get straight into it. SaleHoo is a platform designed specifically for e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to start or scale their dropshipping business. The core of SaleHoo lies in its extensive directory of suppliers and products, giving users access to over 8,000 vetted suppliers and more than 2.5 million products. This makes it particularly beneficial for beginners who may not have the knowledge or experience to differentiate between reliable suppliers and potential scams. One of the standout features of SaleHoo is its emphasis on supplier verification. All suppliers in the directory are pre-vetted, meaning they've passed SaleHoo's strict standards for reliability, quality, and service. This can save you a significant amount of time and reduce the risk of working with disreputable suppliers, which is a common pitfall in dropshipping. Another key feature is the user-friendly market research tool. It helps you find profitable niches by analyzing product trends, competition levels, and selling prices on major platforms like eBay and Amazon. This is incredibly valuable for those who aren't sure what products to sell or want to ensure they're entering a profitable market. SaleHoo also offers a members-only forum and dedicated support to assist you on your dropshipping journey. The community aspect is a great way to connect with other dropshippers, share experiences, and get advice, which can be crucial for success. Who is SaleHoo best suited for? In my opinion, SaleHoo is ideal for beginners who need a reliable platform to start their dropshipping business with minimal risk. It's also beneficial for intermediate dropshippers looking to expand their product range with trustworthy suppliers. However, if you're a seasoned dropshipper with established supplier relationships, SaleHoo might not offer enough added value to justify the cost. As for pricing, SaleHoo offers both annual and lifetime membership options, which are relatively affordable compared to other tools in the market. Given the features and benefits, it offers good value, particularly for those who are new to dropshipping. In conclusion, SaleHoo is a solid tool for those starting in dropshipping or looking to expand their supplier base. Its verified supplier directory, market research tools, and supportive community make it a worthwhile investment for those who want to build a sustainable dropshipping business. If you're interested in checking it out, the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review has helped you make an informed decision about whether SaleHoo is right for you.